Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use spell check to check our Microsoft Word document. It's very important. And the reason for spell check, sometimes you type something and you don't realize that you misspell the words or you add on something which should not be there. But by checking the spell check, it actually bring up to show exactly where you miss a comma and all that. So I'm going to be guiding you through this particular section right here. So it's very important. So these are the known. This itself is our Microsoft Word document right here. You notice we have some paragraph right here. So we're going to be using the spell check. So I want to go up to the top. You notice over here, we have the File tab, the Developer tab, the Home tab, the Insert tab. But what we want to focus on right here is the Review. Now when I click on the Review tab, right, if you notice right here, it's a spelling and grammar right here. All right, now you click, now it's going to show up on this particular side right here. All right, so if you notice right here, spelling and grammar, you notice, you sure that spelling is okay, grammar is okay, edit score is okay so far. So good. So if there's any miss up on it, you will see exactly. When you finish, you can come right here so and close it. So this is how we actually check the document in spell check.